So in today's video, guys, I want to show you how to use Sendit app. The Sendit app is a social media app developed by Snapkit. It works with Snapchat. It allows users to connect with their Snapchat accounts and Snapchat friends. On the Sendit app, you can play Sendit games like answering questions that are on Snapchat, and also you can send anonymous questions and answers to users on Snapchat. So guys, let me show you how you can make use of this Sendit app. Now, the first step to take is, of course, install the Sendit app. So go to your Play Store and search for Sendit. Okay, this is the app, so go ahead and install it on your device. So I have it installed already, so I'm just going to open it. So if you're using this app for the first time, you're going to have to connect this app with your Snapchat app. So once that is being done, then now you can ask questions and share them on TikTok, on Snapchat, or you can play games right here. These are the games that you can play. Okay, let's start with the question. So this is the one for the question. So you can see the question box right here. So you can click on this edit and you can ask your question. So I'm just going to ask a simple question. All right, so here's my question. So I can change the font size. Okay. And also I can change the background color if I like by clicking on this color icon just below. Right, so once you're done with all that, then you can now click on the share button at the bottom of your screen. So it will have to capture your face. Okay. All right. Let me adjust my color. Sorry about that. Okay, so it will have to capture your face, and then you have to click on the round record button. Then you have your question here. So go ahead and either send it to someone or share it to your story. All right, it's sharing to my story. Okay, it's being added to my story now. So if someone asks, if someone drops a comment on that, you can see it. Let me open my story and show you. Okay, now this is my story. So if someone views it, you find it right here. And also, if you want to see the comment on that story, you have to go to Sendit app. So this is the Sendit app. So at the top right corner, you find this inbox. If you click on it, then you find the replies to that story appearing right here. So guys, this is how you can make use of the Sendit app. Hope this tip was helpful to you. If it was, give this video a like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.